friends, hope all of you are making good money. As we discuss the Nifty levels, yesterday it has hit our first target of 15,880, and we are now. I posted on Twitter. We are now retracing, and there is a price structure which is bearish now. So I've already updated the levels, and if you can go to the comment section or discussion section in the channel price section with Aman, you can see I have posted one 16,000 put option levels as well. This is just to update. I have taken this Adani small position. As I told you, I'm testing a particular strategy here with a small quantity, and if it is successful, I'll be posting in the future how to specifically trade stock cash segment. So with the small quantity, we are in a little bit of profit, and I've taken this silver micro commodity future June futures. This is also in just small profit. I'll be exiting somewhere here at 950 plus. As of now it's 635. So expecting this Adani position to actually be in the range of 1535 to 40. That time I will exit. I'll update you guys. So friends, there is an update. Adani, if you can see, we have drawn this level, and it's a typical. It was a day low here. So if you see here, it was taking a support at day low and it just shoot up. So this was the day low here and it pierced through it and then rose again. So as I told you, I was testing in a small quantity. So we were short at 75 and it went low. This candle low is like 43.9. So we had captured almost 30 points. But since I am testing a strategy and Adani is still bearish, and I'm holding this position as of now. This profit is of not much of importance because the strategy that we are building is important. Once you have a quantity big here, this profit could be 10 times more. So you are going to focus on the strategy, not the profit, right? So strategy, I would say more elaborately, it's psychology, not the strategy. So why it went up at day low? Because similarly Nifty also it shoot up from the day low candle. So this is the day low candle, first 15-minute candle. If you see here, it took some retracement here and typical structure here during the expiry. So we are definitely going to see this price coming down here, and it's filling the gap in this region, in this particular region. If not today, then maybe tomorrow, and from here we will see what is going to be happening next 2 days. So I'll be showing up in the coming video tonight probably. So the trade vibe I was mentioning to, it is related to the Adani. So we had captured 30 point, but again it rose. So our profit is like because of so small quantity, it's not a big profit. So I'm still holding, and I'll update you guys if there is any because only 1 hour left. So I'm hoping that once it comes back here in this particular region, I might square off this position because I'm expecting this gap to be filled. This gap is remaining, so this level I was expecting it can reach intraday, but it doesn't look like it's going to reach this particular level on an intraday basis, because Nifty is taking support at the opening range and it's shooting up. So that's why Adani is also going up. So as of now we are in just small profit. That, as I told you, this profit is of no use. The importance is of strategy or psychology. The small one lot is also going on in this silver commodity option with a small profit. Another 200 points I'll wait, and then I'll square off this position. So this is the structure as of now of the price, and I don't think so we can see a gap filling today, because there's only 1 hour left, and so this is pretty unlikely unless there are. So this is basically future chart, not the Nifty spot chart. So unless there is a heavy selling here in this particular region, we might not see gap fill today. It might open up gap down tomorrow and then probably shoot up from there. So Adani is actually coming down. So you see the position is being updated here. Always focus on the strategy building instead of focusing just on the profit, because this is a common mistake all people make, whether it's a big time trader or a small retail trader, because they all go through such procedure at beginning of their early trading career. So this is important. The psychology is important. Adani is, by the way, I just want to mention here that Adani is pretty much bearish. So you can, if you see the last swing, what we can see here is, so in Adani, we are going to see a lot of bearishness in coming 1 or 2 days. This is as of now, until unless this swing highs, two swing highs are broken, which we see in rejection today. So I'm thinking that I found this level. Probably this is the first swing that we can. This is approximately level of 1441. So you see rejection coming here and then breaking up and then coming here again, not taking support, going up, and then some resistance here, and then this candle took support here and then it went up. So it almost came to the first, second, third, and fourth top. So it made a four times top here. So at least you can see first target this, and then if it breaks you can see this target also, which is likely. But let us see what is going to happen at least today. That is important. So I think Nifty's, it has to come down, but how much time it will take, because typical premium decay stuff is going on. So we might not see lot of fall in a one or two candles. So I'll be holding this position and I'll update you guys as and when I square off Adani position. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, update is that Nifty is trying to break this opening range, and the first candle low it is trying to break here. So what we can expect, if it closes below this decisively, then we can see some gap filling today itself. So we have to see the Adani position. So it is like for 1549 or 50 region it is touching. It is trying to come to again this opening range, same as Nifty. So Nifty and Adani price structure is more or less similar today, and they are behaving pretty much similar manner. So I think I'll wait for another 10-15 minutes and see if this level is held or broken. Based on that, I'll update you guys and square off my position. So which is as of now in a very little small profit. But in terms of point, if you see, we are capturing 25 plus points here. So always remember, the number of points that you capture is more important than your quantity, because that actually later on converts into your successful trading strategy. So always first of all try to build a strategy, and scale up is a later on thing. Never think of scaling up straight away, because you will end up losing. So this position I have taken, if there are two components of strategy, one of the most important component is risk management or position sizing. So considering that, I've taken this position, and right now we are seeing Nifty's again trying to hold this level, and this 5 minute candle is to be, I think it will close, yeah. So I think it closed below this level, and just on near that level itself. So another 10 minutes are going to be very important for this particular level. It has come here multiple times. If you see, one, two, this is three, again it's trying to rise here, but I think it will break here. I guess so. Another, but the price market is about to be closed, so I'm not sure what's going to happen, but more or less it shall close below this line at least. And this is the same is the case with Adani. It is behaving more or less similar. I'll update you guys whatever is happening. I don't want to keep the video long, so to make it short, I'll just update you guys in a few minutes. Stay tuned. So guys, update is that Adani has broken this level, and it is going below this. It is making fresh low in the 15-minute charts. If you see, so this is our target 39. So I'll just put the target first. It's almost close to target. Before it at 38. Okay, so we'll just straight away. Okay, we booked the profit in Adani, and you see the Nifty try to break this level, and in that momentum of spur, Adani just broke this level, and it will also go further down. So I'm expecting it to reach to 1480 to 1500 in coming days. 1510, let's say. These two levels are important for next 2-3 days. It shall reach to these levels. So guys, as you can see, we booked our profit here. The profit is not important, I would say. The amount of time you invest on developing a strategy is important. So we took the trade at, I'll show you at a 3-minute chart what time frame we took the trade. So this is Nifty structure. Again, it's trying to break. I have already posted on the Twitter, that Nifty is going to go down and fill the gap. So it's almost coming close to fill the gap, but there is another 30 minutes remaining, so it might go down another 30-40 points. Let's see what happens. So Adani Int just now, it made a low, I think, of 32. So we anyway booked our profit. So this was the gap filling area, and it filled the gap, and now it's retracing. So always when you have a level with you based on price action, you should straight away book the profit. I have not put the target order. If you see, just now I booked in front of you guys, but because I was sure of the level, so I thought let us ride the wave, whatever it is going to, either slow or fast. So this was the area. Actually, you can see there are two areas it tried to consolidate it, this one and this one. And this wild swing, actually, it took stop losses of a lot many people from from 43 to 65, almost 20 points. So it hit all most of the stop losses, and then it came down. So the entry which I took for Adani, I think we can just see where it was, where we had taken the Adani Int entry. So our first entry of Adani Int. So UBL, I was pretty much bearish on that. I put 44th order, but it did not trigger, so I had to just cancel the order, and I entered in the Adani Enterprises. So 11 o'clock we took the order at 1575, right? So 11 o'clock, if you see what's happening at 11 o'clock, I'll just quickly summarize, and probably to keep the video short, I'll be posting other price action strategy later on. I will not later this video much. So 11 o'clock, let's say this is the reason, right? So somewhere in these two candles I took the trade. Once I saw there is a rejection area, I had posted on Twitter also. This was my trade entry timing, and you can see we capture the exact top. This is a nice fall we captured. So those who say you cannot capture top and bottom, they shall rethink about it, right? So guys, this is a patience trading. Basically, you see a lot of consolidation here, then here, and then here. But if you are sure of your levels, you are definitely going to hit. So wait for the right entry timing and your level to come, and wait till your exit point comes. So all in all, Nifty is also looking like it is going to fill this. So I think we'll wind up this video, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. There was a simple concept of double top formation and then followed by a fall. Nothing much apart from that. And if you want to see more of analysis, how I made this entry and what were those, if you want to see in the proper charts, then go to my Twitter profile. I have posted in the morning Adani profile, how it is going to behave. So I hope you guys enjoy video. If you really enjoyed, please do put a comment in the comment section or on Twitter. And even if you're not going to subscribe, I'm still going to be making this video for you guys. So stay tuned guys, much more is going to come soon. Thanks a lot.